Look at the little Mally. There's a big Mally. He saw me and he came over to show me his mini Mally. Oh, how special. What a good job, Mally. Thank you for showing that to me. Mally has one that looks just like him. A mini Mally. How wonderful. What a beautiful sight at the park. Oh, how peaceful, except these lights keep flashing, but that's okay. Look at the kids. Oh, I'm so proud of you, Mally. How beautiful and peaceful. This is where I come to find peace in my world. And make the noise go away. I love their new deck. Okay, lights. Wow, that's so cool. Mally came up.